In animation, students can dive into any subject matter. This includes but is not limited to engineering, commercial, mathematics, documentary, military, and so much more. In architecture, we learn about the science of how buildings and structures are designed. We offer 3 certifications: OSHA, AutoCAD, and Revit. We also regularly compete at Skills USA. Collision Repair and Refinishing is an ASE NATEF certified program. You can earn an I-CAR Refinishing Level 1 certificate and learn how to repair and refinish vehicles to factory specifications or customize your paint job. The Automotive Technology department prides itself on achievements and certifications. The students are prepared for the real world.
The computer science pathway at Trimble Tech prepares students for success in technology careers through a 4-year program focused on real-world skills. Students explore programming, problem-solving, and advanced computing concepts while earning industry-recognized certifications. Certifications include Computer Programming 1 and 2, Computer Science Principles, and the IT Specialist in Java.
Construction Technology is a state-recognized program in Skills USA. Multiple certifications, including OSHA 30 and NCCER, pipeline to the construction trades industry through multiple partnerships. The primary objective of the Cosmetology course is for students to obtain their cosmetology license and be qualified for entry-level employment before their high school graduation. Culinary Arts covers a wide range of disciplines, including food science, nutrition, quality ingredients, seasonality, flavors, textures, styling, and color on the plate, understanding the standard recipes, and professional kitchen etiquette, all while learning in a state-of-the-art culinary facility.
The Cybersecurity program instructs students on protecting computer systems and information from various online threats. Students engage in key activities like preventing issues by setting up security systems, as well as responding to problems such as security breaches and viruses when they arise. The Electrical Technology program provides a pathway to a fulfilling career in the electrical trade by preparing students for industry certifications such as NCCER Core, Electrical 1, and OSHA Construction Safety certifications. Furthermore, students compete in Skills USA competitions, bringing pride to the Fort Worth School District as the only electrical program of its kind.
The engineering program teaches students design, problem solving, competitive play, project management, and new innovations of emerging companies. The fashion design program allows students to learn about all aspects of the fashion industry, including design, production, retailing, and promotion. Students create their own fashions from conception to runway. They also can earn the Entrepreneurship and Small Business certification. For students willing to meet the challenge, the Health Science program offers students high-caliber instruction integrated with project-based and hands-on learning. Students that meet educational partner requirements gain valuable work-based learning experiences at a variety of hospitals and other clinical sites that enhances their preparedness for college and a career in healthcare. Retail entrepreneurship and marketing students learn how to start and manage a business from the ground up. That includes creating a business plan, marketing products, managing finances, and learning the art of customer service. Students build teamwork and leadership skills through the hands-on, real-world experience of operating an actual student-led retail store. The Robotics and Automation program prepares students for Industry 4.0 careers. Students gain hands-on experience in automation processes, Internet of Things, and other modern industrial technologies.
The Social Media Marketing class is an exciting, innovative course specializing in media strategies, consumer analytics, and business goals, featuring topics like branding, advertising, and influencer marketing.
Trimble Tech's welding program teaches different kinds of welding, fabrication, and metalworking skills. Students are also able to graduate with multiple welding certifications.